Killed in cold blood, Maxfield Avenue residents protest shooting death of teenager allegedly by the police. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, popular dancehall entertainer at center of firearm controversy, and CARICOM is compromised. Former Jamaican ambassador weighs in on crisis now happening in Venezuela. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.